Even though I'm ahead of the game on AI, and I hope you are too, one thing I'm behind on is AI agents. I just deployed my first one and it was awesome. First, I gave it the prompt. I told it to research stocks of companies that make automation agents, and it actually gave me some follow up questions. It wants to know, do I want a company that just focuses on that? Do I want to do robots or software? It actually opened a terminal and executed its own code. It hit API rate limits, and then it also asked me to sign up for a subscription. You know how that goes. So I did. It's gone back into the terminal. It's executing its Python code. It generated the reports. It generated JSON version of the reports, and it gave me the Python code. Next thing I know, in a half hour, I've got two full reports of stocks for AI agents. I mean, it's crazy. Where it was doing research and it hit a rate limit in the API it was using, it realized that and worked around it by just looking at the raw web page data without the API, and it did the best it could. I was really surprised at that part in particular. I know if you watch my channel that I usually make videos about open source AI models, and this is not, but it was totally worth it because I just had a good experience with it and wanted to share that. Have you used this or any other similar agent platform? Let me know in the comments what your experience with it, and also what is your use case for agents? What kind of stuff do you do? If you're into open source AI, and you want to see me test different models as they come out and also give you step-by-step tutorials how to run models on your own computer or in the cloud, then please hit that subscribe button. I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks and take care of yourself.